Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Engie, and today I am in a different spot. I'm on the floor, and behind me is my beautiful bed. I chose to do this video on the floor because like my first video I did it on the floor, and I don't know, I always like sitting crisscross applesauce. Fun fact. So the past videos that have been on my bed, I feel like I haven't been 100% myself. Like I feel like I'm like do this and do that, and I don't know, I like them, but I just feel like this is more comfortable. And I got my makeup here, so not everything's like scattered around and it's already in the little drawers, and I have a little mirror here, so I don't have to like look up. I might have to look up when I'm like doing things in detail, but whatever, that's besides the point. I have like a monitor now, but not really a monitor, it's just like my mirror, and I'm just really excited. I don't know why that makes me so happy, but it just does. So today I'm gonna do a 10-minute makeup everyday thing, like an everyday 10-minute makeup tutorial. I don't know why that was so hard to say, but anyway, this is usually what I do when I go to school, or when I just like want to go somewhere but I don't want to look like this, and I just want to do like a no makeup look. This is very easy, like anyone can do this. It usually takes me, I'm like a slow putting on makeup person. Maybe for me it would take like 15-20 minutes. No, it would take like 15. It's gonna be either 10 to 15 minutes makeup tutorial. I don't know, whatever. Let's just get on with the tutorial. Let's just go. So first I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier Radiance primer. It looks like this. I don't know if it's focusing. I have an iPhone and that's like my camera, so that's what it's called. This is like a little tester, not a tester, but I got this like when I got enough points on my Sephora card, if you know what I'm talking about. I just take a little bit, like a little bit less than a dime size, and just put it all over my face. And I hope you can see that, but it's very glowy and it has like almost a little shimmer to it. And I have super dry skin in the winter. Like my skin cracks and flakes off and it's really unattractive. I have a little whitehead right there. Not anymore. Not anymore. Don't pop your pimples. What inspired me to do this is I found this infallible Pro Glow foundation in my little makeup drawer, and I like never used it because I got this in the summer, and then I don't know, all of a sudden I just got like pale again for me. But I think I didn't like it as much because my skin is like normal to oily, not really oily, but normal, I don't know, in the summer, so it didn't really work out. But I tried this out yesterday and it was a really amazing, but it is way too dark for me, so I mix it with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. And this is like a, I wouldn't say matte and I wouldn't say dew, I would say like right in the middle kind of finish. And this is like a very dewy finish, so I just mix them both in. So I put like that much. That was probably too much. Do foundations have like an expiration date? Yeah, they do. This expires July 2018, so we're good. We good. So that's what it looks like. We're just gonna mix it in with my finger. So I just do that, and then I'm just gonna put it on. I'm gonna blend all this in with my beauty blender. It looks like it's a little bit too much, but when you blend in with your beauty blender, the sponge usually soaks up a good amount of the product. So okay, so that is pretty much all blend in now. So I hope you can see like the little sheen that my skin's got going on. For concealer, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Just going with the Radiant Glow theme. And this is like my only concealer that I have that's like creamy. Going over like my spots. A trick I like to do is I like blending it with my finger first because it just warms up the concealer, and then I'll go in and just pounce it a little bit to set everything, because everything's like very creamy. It's very easy for this to like slide off your face. So I'm gonna have to set it with some MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm in the shade Medium Golden. And I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and just go all over. And I'm not putting like too much powder on the brush because I still want my skin to be like glowy. Like I don't want it to be all the way matte. Now to eyebrows, I'm going to fill in with my Sephora waterproof eyebrow pencil. It looks like this. This is a lighter shade. It's not black. I don't want my eyebrows to look like very intense. I'm just gonna focus on like the tail of my eyebrow. Okay, so I did my other eyebrow and now my eyebrows are done. So very easy, literally just line it. Like don't clean anything up because the point is like you're supposed to be fast. With my contouring stick, I put the brown on my lid. So it's like a double purpose. So I just do that and then like that. And then while I'm like blending my nose in, I just go like this and then I just like blend my eyes just so that it could have like a little bit of definition. I saw this once in like a Kim Kardashian, like she was doing her makeup and she does this little trick and I was like, ooh, that's cute, and it's super easy and very fast. So I was like, ooh, I'm gonna do it. See how easy that was? I don't even really like contour my nose. I just kind of like bronze up the sides. Like I'm never like very particular with it when I'm like going this fast. I just kind of like make some shadows and then just hope for the best. I'm just gonna set it just since I have my palette right here with me. I'm using the Huda Beauty palette and I'm using the color Musk right here. And just with a fluffy brush, I'm just going to take it a little bit and just define the crease just so that it won't crease. Okay, so last step on eyes is just curl and mascara. And for mascara, I'm using the Voluminous Lash Paradise. When I'm running really, really late, I won't curl my eyelashes and I'll just apply mascara. But when I have like an extra minute, I will definitely curl my lashes. Now I'm done with the eyes and I'm just going to add some blush now. This is the Milani blush in Luminoso. This is my favorite blush. I always use it, and this one has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it goes with the whole little theme I'm going for. So the last step is highlight, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome. This is in the shade Molten Gold. It's very golden, so you're going to look very bronzy and cute. A little down my nose. This one's very pretty. And for lips, I'm just going to use chapstick. Yeah. Okay, so this is it. We are done. So I hope you enjoyed this 10-minute glowy skin kind of look. So this is like my everyday trying to do my no makeup look, but it looks like I do have a little bit on. Obviously I have fucking makeup on. Oh, and I almost forgot, I'm going to set my face with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. We are done with the tutorial officially. So I hope you guys really like this, and hopefully this was helpful for a lot of you guys. I know everyone's in a rush almost all the time, so I hope this was like helpful. And I mean, I think anyone can do it. It's honestly like so easy. Like it's very easy.
Let me take down my hair and be like, I'm transformed now.
So that is all I have for you guys. This was my no makeup look, which takes, for a normal person, probably 10 minutes. For me, like 15 to 20 minutes. But I'm just like very slow with makeup and it makes me mad. And I'm trying to be faster at it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you liked this dewy finish makeup. It looks very healthy. In my opinion, like, your skin looks very healthy and youthful. So yeah, thank you again for watching. Bye guys!